Hey everybody, how do I pay for a chiropractor after I've been in an accident? Hey, I'm Chris Klotz with the Stevenson and Klotz injury law firm here in Pensacola. Office is in Mobile, and we get this question a bunch. If I'm in an accident and I'm injured, who pays for the chiropractic treatment that I might want to have after the injury? And so there's a couple different answers to this question. First and foremost, if you were somebody who is insured, your insurance policy will have usually a PIP component to it if you're in Florida. Some other states don't have that, but Florida has PIP, which is personal injury protection, which means up to 80% of the first $10,000 worth of medical bills that you have will be covered under your own automobile insurance policy, even if somebody else was at fault. That's one way that your chiropractic expenses can be paid for. Also, sometimes chiropractors' offices might work on what's called a letter of protection. That is where the client has said that, hey, I don't have the cash right now to pay for it, but if I get reimbursed by insurance at a later date, then we'll pay for the medical expenses out of the later payment that we get from the insurance as we get on down the road. Another way is if the case finally resolves, obviously, and the bill has been sent to you. If the bill hasn't been paid, then you'll have some funds at the end of the case to pay for it. So there's a couple of different ways that you might pay for chiropractic services after you have been involved in an automobile accident. We are happy to talk about that with you because not every case is the same, and sometimes there's different things in different cases that might make a difference on how you might be able to pay for a chiropractic expenses, because I know that sometimes people don't have medical insurance, and that can be an issue. We can always talk you through it and try to give you the best advice on how that might work for you. I'm Chris Klotz with the Stevenson and Klotz injury law firm here in Pensacola. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for trusting us with your case.